How to withdraw Exodus wallet to bank account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First step, transfer crypto from Exodus wallet to Crypto Exchange. To withdraw a bank account, you need to first send your cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDC from your Exodus wallet to an exchange that supports fiat withdrawals such as Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. So go ahead and open Exodus wallet and then choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, example, Bitcoin or USDC, and tap on the send button you see there. Further, paste your crypto wallet address from the exchange by logging into your exchange account, example Coinbase. Further, go to the receive or deposit section and copy the wallet address for the specific currency and enter the amount of crypto to send and confirm the transaction. Step 2. Sell crypto for fiat currency on the exchange. Once the crypto arrives in your exchange account, you need to sell it for fiat, USD, Euro, GBP, etc. So log into your crypto exchange account and go to Trade or Sell section. Choose the cryptocurrency you transferred, example BTC or ETH, and then select the fiat currency you want to receive, example USD or Euro. Now enter the amount and confirm the sale. After the sale, the fiat balance will appear in your exchange account. Step 3. Withdraw fiat currency to your bank account. Now that you have fiat currency in your exchange account, you can withdraw it to your bank account. So navigate to the withdraw or cash out section of the exchange and select your bank account or add a new bank account. Enter your bank details, example IBAN, routing number, account number if prompted. Further, enter the amount of fiat you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction and wait for the processing. Step 4. Verify the withdrawal. Check your exchange account for a confirmation of the withdrawal and monitor your bank account for the funds to arrive. So, this was about Exodus wallet withdraw to bank account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.